Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing another one of those scam casino sites. So as you can see, this one is named Zetcas.com, and they supposedly have about 54,000 players online and 51 million players registered, and a total payout of 24 billion plus to all players, which is quite outrageous to be honest. And as you can see, you can just log in, register. So you can just register now and get free rewards, which is too good to be true. And even if you look here on different websites, they have the same identical layout. They just changed the name of the website. So if you scroll on down here, and if you scroll on down here to the other sites, from head to toe, they are all similar. So as you can see, there's nothing changing about them except for the name. And as you can see guys, please do not enter in any information into these websites since they're very obviously a scam. This logo itself means trouble. So that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.